What's up, everybody? Welcome to another Tips with Tyler. Today, we are going to go over closed captioning as it pertains to gathering it from YouTube. So what I'm going to do here today is first show you how to upload a video. If you don't already know that, if you already do, you can skip ahead. But for now, I'm just going to upload a video. So I go up to this little icon up here and then up to upload video. And then I downloaded a short segment. So it's down here in my download tab, and a short segment from a Gore Scholarship ceremony deal that I did the other day. So I'm going to drag that on here. This is on the Wichita State channel. So of course I'm going to want to make this unlisted because I don't want our subscribers to see this 10-second video that I'm uploading strictly for to do this tutorial. So obviously you're going to put that unlisted, but that's what we're going to go with today. And then of course, if you're uploading something that has some substance to it that isn't going to be unlisted, it's going to be public, you want to make sure that you're putting it in the proper playlist here. So if it's WSU Now or it's Shock the Future or something like that, you just click on it and then it'll be in that folder, that playlist folder. So make sure that you are adding them to their proper playlist. But I'm just not going to put anything in here right now. So we're just done is what I'm going to say. And then I'm going to have my video.
So is there any day of the year better?
Cool. Wonderful. Well, I'm going to pause that. If you notice, the CC button for closed captions is not currently available. And what that is I've noticed it takes YouTube about, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes to, depending on the length of the video, to actually add automated captioning. So we're going to wait. I'll probably just skip forward on this tutorial. But once the automated closed captioning is up, then we can go ahead and start editing. So I'll show you that once it's available. Another quick thing I want to talk about while we're waiting for the closed captioning, automated closed captioning to happen is the quality. And when I first uploaded this, it was only at 360. And as I waited, it's went up to 720 and now 1080 because as it processes, the quality will slowly change. So by the time this is done processing, this is a 4K video, so this should be around the 2000s mark on quality. So if that ends up changing here in a moment, then I'll show you that as well. Okay, so your screen might look the same, but for me, it's in the future. And in the future, I have a closed captioning button. Wonderful. And then if I go to quality, I actually have a 4K option. So I can watch this video in 4K now, and I can watch it with captioning. So I'm going to play that.
Is there any day of the year better to be a shocker than the day that we introduced the new Bora Scholars? So welcome.
Bora Scholars. Okay, so this is one of the reasons for this tutorial. Bora Scholars, it's obviously not correct. There's obviously some capitalization issues at the beginning of this as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on the settings button, not the CC button, the settings button, and I'm going to go to subtitles and CC and add subtitles /CC. We see our English automated captionings are published. So I'm going to click on those and it's going to pull up what it has written for me. So this is where you should be at. It should have the captioning automatically put in there for you. And then I'm going to hit edit because it's not done appropriately or to our standards. So I'm just going to edit this real quick. Okay, so I did a few edits on the written closed captioning here that it automatically produced for me, and I think it's all right. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to save my changes, and what that's going to do is it's going to create two published pieces, an English and an English automated. So the English automated was that one that we originally clicked on. So I'm going to click on it again, and this time I'm going to click unpublish right here. Okay. And that's basically it. So I'm going to exit out of here now. I don't want to press anything else. I'm going to refresh my page.
So is there any day
I'm going to pause that real quick, turn on my closed captioning, and then boom.
Is there any day of the year better to be a shocker than the day that we introduce the new core scholars? So welcome everyone.
Introduce, whatever, that's fine. Okay, so now that my captioning is how I would like it, the next thing I want to talk about is getting your .srt cart file, and you'll need that for turning off closed captioning on Facebook, along with some other social media platforms. So I'm going to go back into the add subtitles area that we were in. I'm going to go to these published English ones that we created, and I just hit this action drop down box, VTT and SRT. There they are. So I can literally just click on SRT, and look at that. It's showing up in my download tab. So I can use this as an SRT file for Facebook, etc., anything like that. So that's what we were looking for. So yeah, through this video, you were able to download onto YouTube. We were able to see the time that it takes to get 4K quality on YouTube. Also the time that it takes for automated captioning to happen, and then how to come in and edit the automated captioning and then publish new English captioning. Following that, we were able to find this drop-down box and download any kind of cart files that we need for closed captioning for our social media platforms. So hopefully this video was helpful. Thanks.